Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's to share how to make a greeting card, a regular A-2 card, so that fit in a regular envelope, and also you can make it as a gift card if you want, but this is a regular card done with the envelope punch board that look like a jar. So I had a series of that, and this is what I call the A-2 card. So we're going to start with, this is mossy meadow that measure 8.5 by 5 1/4. We're going to fold this in half, so it's going to be 4 1/4, the center, if you want to score it. And now we will take this, and where it's the opening, going to go at the top there at 1 inch, right there at 1. Turn it around and go at 1. Now you're going to take this, the peak there, put that flush right at the edge, and punch. You're going to round this and do the same on the other one. So now this is your card base. Now with the magic of the camera, no, it is because well, where is it? I was doing this on recording, and see, I did the back. So we're going to decorate the front. So the front and the back's going to be as pretty. The back's going to be as pretty as the front. Now this one here, that's the foil, the gold foil. I started with a strip that measure 8.5 by 3/4. I use my Simply Scored board, and you're going to take your foil facing down, and you're going to score at 1/8, 1 1/4, and 3/8. So really it's the first 3 lines you're going to score. Turn it around, and now you're going to take this. It's rounded, but really it was not rounded. It was straight. Let's say it was straight like this. You're going to take this, put it there, punch, put it the other end, and punch. So you're going to have your rounded corner for your lid. Okay, now we're back where it went sour. Now you're going to take a piece of cherry cobbler that measure 4 by 4 3/4, the All Is Bright Designer Series paper that measure 3/7/8 by 4 5/8. All measurement will be on my blog. You get the link below or above in the eye above. You're going to mount this together. Now this is a little bit tricky here. So you do not go at the 1 inch. You're going to go right there where you see the score guide, the peak right there. Line that up right at the edge there. Punch, turn this around, and line that up right there, and punch. Now you get this, see, it's right at the edge there. We're going to take this, and we're going to put that in the front of the card, because really you don't have to do the back. Now you're going to mount that. The edge going to go right at the edge there, like this. So now we get a good proportion all around. This look funny there, don't worry. Now you're going to take a Tombow, and I like to use Tombow for this part absolutely, because if you're not just right, you can move it around, and I put a bit in the back here. Now you're going to take this, and the ridge, the side that are raised, go at the bottom. Now you're going to put that right here. Turn this, open this up, make sure you're straight, so then it's easy to see if you're straight. And then you can press the, oops, here we go. Oops, I felt it slide. So that's what it's nice about Tombow, you know, that if it's, you know, you get the chance to move it. Now we got this done. So now for the inside, you're going to take a piece of Whisper White that measure 4 by 5 1/4. You're going to put this at 1 inch, turn it around, and 1 inch. Now we got this for the inside. Let's see if I got this right this time. Perfect. See, we're going to round the corner though. So I'm going to take this round and around. Now we're gonna put that inside, so then we get a white inside. Here we go. See, now you can stamp anything. Now I pre-stamp the greeting from Alpine Adventure, Christmas cheer. We're gonna put that, this is 1.5, and the silver it's 1 3/4. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna put a hole in this in the center. Oops. Here we go. And I'm using, I know I use mossy meadow, but I'm using old olive, the skinny ribbon here. We're going to take this, so go inside in the opening there, bring this here, then I'm going to take, it's going to go loose there, okay, pass this through, here we go. Gonna do a knot here. Let it loose a little bit. Here we go, and then I'm gonna do a little bow. And voila! Now it's hanging down. If you don't want it to hang down, you're going to tie it more. I thought hanging down was better. Et voila. So now you get your big Christmas jar. You can even add cookies maybe inside, you know, if you get a stamp of cookies. But that is it, my friend, how to do a regular jar. I call this the A-2 jar with the envelope board. So, voila. See? Got it both on the same size. That, oh, I get little bit, I will fix that there, and it stay perfect there. It hang in the front, but it stay perfect because of the loop here. So I will have all measurement on my blog, and also all the, if you're on my video, you can see all the other one. This is the gift card, this is the long skinny one. So that is it for my series of the jar with the envelope board. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.